Welcome back. Welcome back to logfurnitureHowTo.com. My name's Mitchell Dillman here at Colorado Springs Sawmill, and we've got one day left to get ready for our big art show, the Pikes Peak Art and Music Festival, this weekend, July 4th weekend. You can see we got all sorts of stuff ready to go, but we still got stuff to finish today. So that's what we're gonna do. We gotta get everything finished up. One of the first things we gotta do is get back in here and finish up this last run of these flowers. We'll pick up right where we left off yesterday. And we've got three different size flowers. We've got these big ones, what I'll call medium, and then these small ones. So we'll need leaves appropriate, for each size. We got big ones, small ones. Check these out over here, guys. We'll be able to push these down in the ground. So once you've positioned them, once you've bent them and positioned them, you just weld them on now. Boom, just like that, you got a big flower. All right, so let's keep them coming, man. Let's just keep them rolling. Go from one to the next. We got about a dozen of them here. All right, another one down. All right, so I think that's it. I think we got them all done. It's time to get them over here and get them to paint. Let's get them painted. Alright, so we'll let those dry and then come back and do the bottoms, do the leaves. It's dry out there. We need to make some more of these. They're Colorado blunt blades. We make them out of our saw blades over here. It's just a matter of welding them into place after we get them bent. You see what happens here. We'll set them up to hang them on the wall. What do you think about those, man?
Beautiful, amazing work.
Thanks, buddy. All right. Satisfied customer, man. He's got 3 bar chairs, swiveling bar chairs. All right. All right, so now the day's getting short. We're going to finish it off with a little bit of green. Let's finish the day off with some green. Alright, so you gotta come back tomorrow and we're gonna get it all finished up and head on down there to America the Beautiful Park and get set up for the big art show. So be sure to come back tomorrow. We're gonna do it all over again. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.